Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to make folders in Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make folders in Google Keep, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application and then tap into these three bars into the top left corner, and from there you will get the option of labels into here. Now, in order to make labels or folder, just simply tap into this create new label option, and after tapping into there you just simply have to name your label or folder and just simply tap into check button at the top right, and after that your folder will successfully be created into here. This way you can also make folders in Google Keep. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.